Let's do question number 4 of the brain teasers, lesson day, date and time. Question number 4, how old were you 2 years back? Children, if I take an example here of the child who is in your class, any child, example, suppose a child is 8 years old. How old were you 2 years back? Then that child would be 6 years old. First answer. This is the first answer. 8 minus 2. Another, after how many years you will be 10 years old? If the child is 8 years, then after how many years the child will be 10 years? It will be after 2 years. Fine. Question number 5. How long does it take? Think of different activities and time taken by them. Make your table as long as you can. Some examples are given here. Now let's see few activities which takes minutes. For example, taking bath. It takes only few minutes. Or another example for taking minutes to solve maths sum. It takes only few minutes. Next one. It takes hours. Think about activity that takes hours to complete. For example, making a model or any other activity that takes hours to complete. Drawing a painting takes days. It takes days. White painting our home. It takes days. What else? Think about something that takes days. I know all of you can think. Takes days. Can you think of days? Making or a plant to grow. It depends. Some plants grow in days, some plants grow in months. Takes months to change from summer to winters, or construction of house. It takes months to change from summer to winters. One example is given. What else? Season change you can write down. First one as summer to winters. You can also write as season change. Some other example can you think about? It takes months. Like I have written construction of house. Some other thing. Making or a field, the crops to grow. It takes months. Next, question number 6. Look at your class timetable and find out for the following how many periods of maths. I will talk here about the online classes only nowadays. How many periods of mathematics you are having in week? 2. What is the duration of each class? It's 40 minutes. How long is the recess? It's 20 minutes. That is a break that you get. Mehak goes to learn piano during the vacation. Now study the given clocks, find out the duration. Mehak's class starts at 1:15. It ends at 1:35. What is the duration of class? It is 20 minutes. Okay. Goodbye children. Happy learning.